Hello my gorgeous nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're welcome to Uzi Lounge, a channel that got you covered for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, come on guys, do join this family, okay, by smashing the subscribe button. Also turn your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our subscribe videos. Guys, if you want to take your nail to the next level, just do well to subscribe to the channel and stay elegant, of course. Okay, so today we have latest and trending nail designs for my ladies. Quick and easy nail art design for elegant ladies. Guys, watch the video from beginning to the end and sure not to miss any slide. For all the slides I give you, they are mind-blowing. Trust me, you're gonna be blown away with the amazing collections that we have here. Okay, so watch to the end, select your favorites for your next manicure. Okay, these nails you can rock it to any occasion like child occasions, birthday parties, wedding, and as well rock it on vacations, but they are looking so beautiful. So guys, as you watch, do like the video, okay? Just support us, encourage us by giving the video a thumbs up, and also share to your loved ones so they can also be part of this beautiful video. To my returning viewers, you guys have been so amazing. You are the reason we are always showing up. Guys, please keep supporting us and we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. So guys, if this doesn't fit your needs, can as well check all of our videos, okay? Just feel free to go into our channel and explore more beautiful designs. Trust me, we have lots and lots of stunning designs that you can't even resist, okay? So just go check them out and you'll be glad, okay? Thank you so much my ladies to watch our videos. Like, comment and share. See you guys in our next video. Bye.